welcome. In this video, we are going to see what is complex number. Okay, so let me tell you here, it is of the form a plus ib, where your a is, it is the real part of the complex number. Okay, and b is your imaginary part of the complex number. Okay, so this is your complex number. Now where from it comes? So a little example I want to take here. You all know the set theory. Okay, so first we are going to see what is a set of natural numbers. Set of natural number we denote by capital N, and it is the set of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on infinity. That is your set of natural number. Okay. Next we are going to see here set of whole number. Okay. Now why there is a set of whole number? As you can see here, if you do here some operations like as addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. Okay. So first of all, let's do here addition. If I do here 1 plus 2, your answer is 3. 3 belongs to this set. If I do here 2 plus 2, it is 4. 4 belongs to this set, right? If I do here 1 plus 5, it is 6. 4 के बाद यहाँ 5, 5 के बाद 6, because this is up to infinity, यानी कि 6 भी ये set में belong करेगा, right? So whatever the addition you do here, every number, whatever is the result you get, this also belongs to the set, right? Now let's do here subtraction. If I do here 2 minus 1, it is 1. It belongs to set. If I do here 4 minus 2, it is 2. That also belongs to the set, right? But if you observe, if I do here 3 minus 3, that is what? 0. Does the 0 belongs to the set of natural numbers? Here I have to add a 0 also, because when I do the subtraction of a same number, then I get the answer 0, which does not belongs to the set of natural numbers. So there comes the set of whole numbers, in which there is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on infinity, right? But again, if I perform all these operations here in this set of whole number, all the numbers belongs here, right? But if I do here 3 minus 4, you get the answer minus 1, because your 4 is a big number and 3 is a small number. And this is a subtraction, because 3 has plus sign and 4 has minus sign. Both the signs are opposite, so you have to do the subtraction. So your subtraction is minus 1, it is negative. But as you can see, your set of whole number, it does not have any negative number, right? It does not contain any negative number. So when we perform here subtraction, which is from small number to big number, right? Then what happens here? We get the negative number, and negative number does not belongs to the set of whole numbers. So there comes then later set of integers. Then set of integers, it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, goes on right, infinity. Then on left side, it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, goes on minus infinity, right? This is what your set of integers means. In simple way, I can write it is 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3, negative numbers also there. Okay, so I hope you all understood what I am trying to tell you. So this is how your sets goes on developing. Okay, now After this, when you do the subtraction, you get the number here, negative number also. But if I want to take a division, okay, if I perform here division operation, what happens here? If suppose I divide here 4 by 2, I get the answer 2, which belongs to this set, as you can see. Or if I divide here 6 by 3, that is also 2, right? Whenever I get here whole number, integer, that all numbers belongs to the set, right? But if it is not a complete division, means if it is 3 by 4, this is not a complete division, this is a fraction. But this fraction does not belongs to this set. Are you all get it? Okay. So then there comes the set of real numbers. Now set of real number, it is a combination of rational and irrational numbers, means fractional numbers also. So this is your rational number, it is a fractional, right? There is not a complete division. But if I want to find here root 4, I can write it is plus minus 2. And if I want to find here root 5, but root 5, we don't have any complete square here, right? So it may be something 2 point, right, which is plus minus. Okay, so this is your irrational number. So set of real number is nothing but it is a combination of set of rational and irrational numbers. Okay, there comes your fractional also. Okay, I hope you all understood. But this is also not sufficient. Why this is so? Because when I want to find here square root of minus 9, I am not able to find it. I know the square root of 9, it is plus minus 3. But if suppose it is a negative term, then I can't take here the square root of negative term. So at this time, we have to consider here imaginary term I, which has a value root minus 1. And if I square the term, it is I square equals to minus 1. Okay. So if you observe here, if I use this here, then what happens? Root minus 9. I can write, if minus 1 is I square, so I can write here 9I square. Okay, so this I can write 3I whole square. And if I find a square root, it is plus minus 3I. So easily I can find the square root. So this is your complex number. Now, as I told you earlier, if it is in A plus IB form, this is your real part and this is your imaginary part. Okay. So if I compare this number, I don't have your real part, so I can take it 0. And here it is I3. So 0 is your real part and 3 is your imaginary part for the complex number. Okay. And then this set extended to the complex numbers, set of complex numbers. Okay, so I hope you all understood. And set of complex number means what? It has the numbers of the kind A plus minus IB. Okay, this is the complex number. अब यहाँ पर एक सिंपल सी बात मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहूँगी. सबसे पहले हम लोगों ने नेचुरल नंबर से शुरू किया था, सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर. तो पहले था सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर, उसके बाद आया सेट ऑफ होल नंबर, यानी कि नेचुरल नंबर होल नंबर का सबसेट हो गया. देन होल नंबर इज अ सबसेट ऑफ इंटीजर, देन इंटीजर इज अ सबसेट ऑफ रियल नंबर एंड रियल नंबर इज अ सबसेट ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स. ओके, सो आई होप you all understood. These all also we can say are the complex numbers. यानी कि यहाँ पर ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपका कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर ऑलवेज A प्लस IB ही होना चाहिए. यहाँ पर A कभी 0 हो सकता है तो B कभी 0 हो सकता है. That means 1 is also complex number, 0 plus I2 is your complex number, 2 is also your complex number because I can write it is I0, and this is the form of complex number also. This is, you can write, this is nothing but your 0 term. Okay, and here 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2, this is also your complex number. Okay, so I hope you all understood what is the complex number and how we can write it. What is the real part of the complex number? What is the imaginary part of the complex number? Okay, so if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for next video. In next video, I will tell you algebra of complex number. Thank you for watching this video.